I don't know many people who don't need a little boost of energy throughout the day. I know I do. And I like to find that boost in the most natural way possible. I like to stay away from energy drinks and highly caffeinated drinks, but ginger shots are a good way for me to boost my energy level. So if you'd like to see how I do that, stick around. And if you're new here, my name is Heather. I live in South Carolina on our property with my family, where we just try to do what we can when we can for ourselves. And today we're making ginger shots for ourselves. Tomorrow, maybe we'll be splitting wood. I don't know. But if you'd like to know and keep up with what we have going on around here, consider subscribing. Doesn't cost you anything and helps us out. All right, let's make some ginger shots. I'm starting out with 1 apple, a lemon, and I already cut my ginger up, but a couple inches of ginger. Got the ginger in there. You can see you don't get a ton of juice out of it, but I can tell you don't need a ton of juice of that because it's straight up pure ginger. Then I do an apple simply for sweetness. I just juice my lemon by hand. And that's it. And I'm sure you could put something different. That's a piece of apple. I'm sure you could put something different in here. I like an apple because I know it's not going to make my blood sugar skyrocket or anything. I feel like it's a pretty mellow fruit as far as blood sugar. So I like that. And then I'll just put it in here and mix it up. And we'll take a shot. All right, so that's 1 apple, couple inches of ginger, and the juice of a lemon. And the apple, I just put it for sweetness. You don't have to do it. If you're more woman than me, you can just do the ginger. And then lemon, I put lemon in everything. I know it's super good for me, and it just, I don't know, makes everything taste better. I just like it. And I'll just do a shot. I'll probably do this 3 times today, and I might not do this again for another couple weeks. I might do it again in a week if I feel the need for it, or I might do it again in a month. But anyway, there it is. Be ready for the heat. But it's not that bad with the lemon and apple. I do not recommend straight up ginger. It's so hot. I'll tell y'all how I figured this out. I juice on a pretty regular basis, and I put ginger in my juice. But I normally do not do the ginger first. It's like a last thought or something. Oh, let me stick a little inch of ginger in my juice. Well, anyways, I juiced the ginger to begin with. And it was so pretty and yellow. And I was like, oh my gosh, look at that. That's beautiful. Wonder what it tastes like. Why would I wonder what it tastes like? Because I know ginger is hot. But I'd never drank ginger juice before. So anyway, my son's sitting at the table. And I take a sip of it. Fire. Oh my God. Like I was a dragon throat. I don't know. It was so hot. So he got a good laugh out of that. But what came out of it was I had this tickle, and I get it every year for the last several years. I get a tickle in my throat around Christmas till spring. I don't know if it's something, some pollen. I don't know what it is, but it's just a tickle. It's just annoying, and I'll go to talk and maybe have to cough. Well, anyway, I noticed that tickle cleared right up whenever I did that day. So, and I also noticed I had an enormous amount of energy. So I was like, yes, I like that. Is that a thing? Is drinking ginger straight a thing? So I Googled it, and sure enough, something called ginger shots. And I think you can make them all kind of different ways. This is just how I do mine. But you can Google ginger shot benefits and see if it's right for you. My sister, she had the flu a couple years ago. I told her, try the ginger shots. So she did it. She'd never done them before. And she did it and, immediately texted me, whoa, that was hot, and sent me right to the bathroom. She'd never done them before. But she did it, 4 or 5 times that first day. And it helped clear up whatever that persistent cough was. So those are, and she's always been real heavy into exercise. So her joints hurt her. She's had several surgeries and things like that. But anyway, she's got a lot of like arthritic pain in her joints. And she said she really noticed that got a lot better while she was doing those ginger shots. So she made it like a normal thing for probably at least a month. And now I think she goes on and off of them. But anyway, those are just 2 examples for me. And then an example for my sister, just to let you know what we use them for. But definitely do your own research and see if it's something that you'd like to try. I hope this video inspired you to look into the ginger shot or maybe some other healthier alternative to energy drinks, or however you're getting your energy that maybe you think isn't so healthy. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.